Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are coming over from one of the other artists that are part of this collaboration that we're having today. So we're having a collaboration for World AIDS Day today, 1st of December. 6 other artists and myself. I hope that you've already watched the other videos. If not, please do go over and check them out. I have left links for their channels in my description. So yeah, please do go over and check them out. And also, if you're not already, which I'm assuming that you are, but if you are not, please subscribe to the channels, give them a thumbs up. So yeah, we have this collaboration. It started out with Nick and I have become pretty close, I would say. We talk almost every day about our paintings and our progress and bounce off ideas here and there. And so he told me a while ago that he was going to do this experiment with a big mob and on a big canvas 1 by 1 meter. And he sent me the result, and it is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I really like it. And I was looking at it, and I was thinking that would really be cool to do that in red. So I told him, you know what, you should, well, how about doing this in red and then releasing it for the World AIDS Day? I might even be tempted to try something similar, or at least something also for the World AIDS Day, and we could do a collaboration maybe. We started discussing it, and Nick suggested that was a really great idea. How about if we try to ask some other people if they want to join? And Nick did that. He reached out to some amazing artists, and a lot of them decided to, or actually most of them, decided to join in. So we have an amazing lineup with Kathleen from Cos Creations. We have Mina.EST from Mina.EST Art. We have Sarah Mac from Sarah Mac Art, and we have Mark.EST from the UK, and we have Brian.EST. I got it right this time, I think, from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry. So yeah, and a really amazing lineup. So really honored to be part of this, and I hope that you really enjoyed all the pours. Also want to say that this pour that I'm doing, if someone is interested in buying it, obviously it is for sale, but also want to say that I will donate 20% of the price to an AIDS non-profit foundation. So yeah, definitely it goes for a good cause. So if you like it, please let me know. Enough talking from me. I will get you down on the canvas and show you my pour, and I hope that you enjoy. And you have a wonderful day. Bye. My canvas today is 38 by 61 centimeters. I decided to do a shadow bow around the actual colored bow with a swipe with cell activator made with the Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam titanium white. This is much inspired by what Molly has been doing lately in Molly's artistry, where she swipes on the base coat and then adds color afterward, and then swipe those colors. So this is very inspired by her. Thank you, Molly. I also again want to know that I did it in the introduction, but I'm really honored to be part of this collaboration for this very worthy cause. I think it is amazing that we have such great artists that decided to participate. Really great bunch of people. I'm beyond happy, really am. So once again, thank you, Nick, so much for reaching out to everyone, and I hope that everyone have enjoyed watching all of your pours. I am the last one in this lineup, so hopefully everyone will have already seen all the other pours. I'm positive that they've all been incredible. So yeah, can't wait to actually see them be made. these amazing paintings. So yeah, I'm just adding colors here. You will see the colors on the screen that I'm adding. Not much to say really, just enjoy what you're seeing. I do want to say one thing though. Again, a word of warning to people that are pouring. When people tell you that the Deco Art 24 karat gold takes over, believe them. It does. I honestly think still now when I look at what I'm doing here, just in a second you'll see me put on the gold. And I really don't think that I put that much on, but it really took over. I still think that it looks amazing. I love the gold in the painting, and it really gives so much life, especially as you will see at the end of this pour. I've actually posted pictures also of the resin piece, and it really looks amazing. I really love it. Also want to, once again, I know that I said it in the introduction as well, but if anyone is interested in buying this piece, I will be donating 20% of the price to an AIDS organization, a non-profit. Still haven't decided which one, but definitely 20% of the price will be donated. So give me a shout out if you're interested in buying this piece. And with that said, I think that I'm just gonna leave you, put on some music, and hope that you enjoy this pour. And once again, thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye.